Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever the time zone you are watching this video, you already know. My name is Abeji001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to see the video whenever I drop the video. You already know we are in the month of Ramadan, and as I'm a Muslim also. I greet all my brothers and sisters in Islam that may Almighty Allah accept all our prayer, and may Almighty Allah grant us and our journey of that, and put our effort as ibadah, accept all our ibadah. Bijay Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And to all my Christian subscribers also, my brothers and my sister in Christian, I greet you all and I pray for you also. May all your prayer be accepted. May all your prayer be accepted. Wala al-Quran Karim. Okay, you already know. Let's see what is happening before we move into the chat. You already know my name. You already know what is happening. You already know what we are doing, what we are into. So let's quickly go to Forest Factory. Let's see, maybe there is high impact news so that we can know how we can prepare ourselves before the news and after the news. And let's see, this is today's Friday, which is 18, which is February 18, and next week is the next week is for next week the month is ending. I pray to Almighty God, I pray to Almighty Allah, let us profitable and successful in this journey this year. Bijay Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Because let's just continue. Let's just continue because most of us, me self, that I'm pushing. That means that I'm doing video every day. Self, I'm pushing my $10. I'm pushing my $10 every day. Sometimes I make profit. Sometimes I give back the profit to the market. So that's why I'm laughing. But I know that no, uh, consistency is the key to success, and you already know. They said progress. They said practice make perfect. But as for me, practice make progress, because doing the practice you will be seeing your efforts and you'll be making progress. You understand? Because nobody is perfect in this life. You cannot be perfect. You can just be progress. You understand? And only our creator that is perfect. You understand? So because if you say practice make perfect, that means we will not be mistake. There will not be mistake. There will not be loss. But as for now, practice make progress for us seriously, and we are going to progress in the name of Allah, and we are going to be successful and profitable in our trading journey and in other skills we are doing. Since yeah, we have 8 p.m. We have USD news, and which is the FMC meeting. You understand? I think if they up the news, if the, more hawkish than expected is good for the currency. If the news is okay, so it's good for the currency. But as for now, we still have time to be trading. Let's now move to our chart. Let's see what's happening on chart. Let's see how the chart is preparing itself for us seriously. The lie say I'm just laughing because I know that no God, nothing God cannot do. How do they speak that English? What God can do does not exist. How did they put the English in? I don't know. So this is good. You already know I started from XAUUSD, which is good. And what is good is giving us good is giving on daily time frame. You can see our swing line. This is where we are expecting the good, and this is our swing low. So you can see what is happening now. And let's move to daily 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. What is 4 hours time frame telling us? This is the first push up that break this structure. That this is what market came back to this way. It started buying to this demand zone. After this demand zone, market continue pushing it up, but the market is in this supply, and this supply has come to resistance. And what we are expecting now, we are expecting the buy, but this is where we are expecting the buy from. This is the valid place to buy. Seriously, this is the valid place to buy. For me, as for me, this is the valid place to buy. And what we are seeing now, market is in. You can see what the 4 hours is giving us. What is giving us uptrend, and only just this correctional movement we are going to take. You just the downtrend. If you want to take this correctional movement, we move to 1 hour time frame. After network, don't do rubbish tomorrow because yesterday I did not take trade yesterday. I say I made a sort of yesterday after dropping the video like this. The network just went off seriously, and the trade went in my favor seriously. Let's just see what the network is doing. MTN. This MTN is just I don't know what happened to this network nowadays. So the network is back. So I have to pause the video. That is why I don't want the video to long, you understand? That's why I paused the video. So after the network came back, that's right. This is what we are doing now. You can see this is the way market give us, but this is not as for me, this is not I think it's not valid break of short term. Seriously, it's not valid break of short term. But let's just see. This is the sell we took yesterday, but we are expecting the sell to come here, but this way the sell is this way the sell return. So let's just see what is happening. Let's see how we can take this trade seriously. On 4 hours, don't know what's up to this network. So this is the FEG here. That FEG, that 4 hours FEG. This is 4 hours FEG here. You can see the 4 hours FEG, and market has not given us any opportunity yet. So we are expecting the downtrend. Yes, we are expecting the downtrend because this is the main what? This is the main break of structure on 4 hours. This is the main break of structure on 4 hours. But let's just see if our market may come back to this FE to continue the downtrend. You understand? Call me. Call. So this is the FEG market gave us on 4 hours, and this is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. Seriously, we don't know what this break of structure is going to do. And you can see this is the FEG market gave us on 4 hours here also. And market mitigated. And this is the last you can see internal break of structure, internal change of character, and this is the main brain internal break of structure. You understand? And this is the FEG that gave us that break of structure. If we want take the cell like this, we just take the cell from there to here. But this is where we are buying. This is where we are expecting the market for the buy. And this is the sell. On 4 hours, this is the sell. This is the sell on 4 hours. But let's see what 1 hour is trying to tell us. This 1 hour, this is what 1 hour is trying to tell us. Let's just let's align with what 1 hour is trying to tell us. This is the other block that 1 hour gave us. But as for me, that other block did not give me big structure. But if we go to let's go to 1 hour time, let's go to 1 hour time, small 15-minute time frame. If it give us break of structure, that's this recent. You can see this is the main break of structure for 4 hours. Let's redefine it. On 1 hour, we redefine it and we see the current trend. And this is the OB that the market is. You can see this is the break of structure 1 hour gave us. And okay, Let's just use horizontal rate. Let's see maybe the 1 hour closes with full body candle. It's not all closes with full body candle, it's with quit candle. So that's 1 hour. That break of structure is not fine. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what 15-minute time frame is telling us. This is what 15-minute time frame is telling me. As 15-minute time frame is telling me that this is this order block is valid. You understand? Let's move to 30 minutes. Let's see what 30 minutes tell us also. This is 30 minutes. You can see that 30 minutes too. Their break of structure is what? It's not valid. That's what 30 minutes is telling. That's what 30 minutes is telling us. But 15 minutes is telling us the break of structure is valid. And with this where I'm expecting the sell from this place, the market should mitigate this way and continue the what? And continue the sell. But let's just see what market has for us here. This is the last break of structure on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes. This is the on 15 minutes break of structure. After this break of structure, this is the other block market is. Let's see what the market is trying to do. If you can see change of character, but as for me, this is where I'm buying here. You cannot say maybe market want to do a test and retrace to continue the after here, continue the return this place to liquidity to reducement seriously because this is what I'm seeing because that is where the 4 hours give us. The market is not this 15 minutes. This 15 minutes. This is what 15 minutes telling us. This is what 15 minutes telling us. After straight the liquidity. This is what 15 minutes telling us. But I'm expecting the market from here. This is the best place to sell. Seriously. But we can't say if market want to sell from here. We cannot say if market want to sell from here. But as for me, this is where I'm expecting the sell. If this 1 hour give us break of structure, fight break of structure, definitely it's going to sell there. But as for me, the 1 hour is not giving me recent break of structure. So I do not see opportunity. I do not see reason why I'm going to sell from here. But the overall break of structure on 4 hours, this is it, the overall break of structure on 4 hours, and which give us the FEG. This is where I'm expecting the seller to come in to continue the sell seriously. You can see on 4 hours, this is where the seller is because this is where FEG. If the seller can tap this FEG, continue the sell. Seriously, it will be okay. Straight all this liquidity. You can see market is going to sweep all this liquidity here. As for me, I'm selling from here. But if market respected 1 hour, but if market respected this serve as reducement, this serve as liquidity. It serve as liquidity. This is where the market is coming. This serve as liquidity. Market just respected it. It serve as liquidity. That is liquidity. Inducement, let's say inducement. Market serve as inducement. Mhm. So this is the FEG. Market may expect this or market may expect this FEG because there is skill level here. Let's say this FEG. On 1 hour time frame, market may respect that FEG. The reason why I choose that FEG is because there's skill level there. We use price action. We just see that to the market. We don't predict to. This is what the market asks for us. As for me, this is where we are selling from. This is where we say seller turn in, and this our will be here. So let's see if the market expected this FEG to the uptrend. This our liquidity as for me. This our liquidity. You can see on 4 hours itself, it serves as liquidity. It serves as liquidity because there's FEG here. It serves as liquidity. Also, let's just see what the FEG is trying to do. If it's going to respect it. Yeah. This is what we have on gold. Let's move to silver. Let's see what silver has for us. This is what silver has for us. On daily, as from daily time frame, you already know this is what we have. Market is in uptrend, and this is all what our block market gave us. Market has not tried to mitigate it. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours is telling us. This is what 4 hours is telling me. This is where the seller is turning in for. I'm selling from here because all these ones serve as liquidity for me. Let's see, all these ones serve as a liquidity for me. Liquidity trend line. After this liquidity, the seller will turn in for later will turn in from here and continue to descend because there's other block here. This way we are taking the other block. If, yeah, that's this way I'm taking the other block from. And our stop loss, you can see, if let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is what we are having because market has mitigated this demand zone. So definitely this serves liquidity, but market is going to this. You can see on 4 hours. This is the black control change of character. This serves liquidity. This serves where the seller turn in. Serves our other block. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. And this trend line serves liquidity. This is where the seller turn in. This is where the seller turn in. So let's just wait for the market to give us the set from here. And our because this place serve as liquidity also sef because there's FEG, there's another FEG, but on 1 hour, on 4 hours it has closed. You can see on 4 hours it has closed. So this is what we have on 4 hours. This is where the seller turn in. So let's just wait for the seller here and sell to this other. If this FEG, this cannot leave FEG, this way we are selling and this way we are buying from. Let's just see 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what 15 minutes time frame is telling us. This is what 15 minutes time frame is telling us. This is the last break of structure on 15-minute time frame. And this is the change of character. Change of character. Internal break of structure. Let's see what is happening. Let's see where we can buy the market. As for me, this way we can buy the market. If market wants to respect this way we are buying the market again. This way we are buying the market. Let's leave it pending here. This is where we are buying the market from. Seriously. And that I think it's aligned with 4 hours. But market is going up. As I'm seeing the market is going up. So let's just see what the market has for us. This you can see this change of character, this break of structure, this is change of character of block. There's FEG here from 1 hour time frame. There's FEG here. But let's see, maybe market is going to respect this place because continue the uptrend. And this is what we are having. But if we want to sell this way, we are selling. But as for today, if we want to take this market, we just wait from here to take the uptrend. This way we are taking the uptrend. Let's see gold. Gold also, this way we are taking the uptrend. And our you can see where our stop loss is. This way we are taking the uptrend on gold also. On one hour time frame, let me see 1 hour time. This way we are taking the what? The uptrend. So let's just see US 30. Let's see what US 30 has for us. This US 30. This is what US 30 has for us. We already know on US 30, this is our swing high. This is our swing low. This is our swing high. This is what market is having for us. Let's see 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours for this. What 4 hours has for us. Market said this liquidity. Let's see on 1 hour that market said this liquidity. But let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what the market is trying to do. If you want to sell the market this way, the seller are in. We're gonna sell the market from here, and our stop loss will be above this. So let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. You can see this last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. After market swept this liquidity, you can see after market swept this liquidity over here. This is the break of structure, and market respected this break of structure. It pushes down, but it couldn't what? It couldn't break the what? It couldn't break the couldn't break what? It couldn't break the next structure, the liquidity sweep. It came to the liquidity sweep, and market has come back to this. This has turned to resistance for me, which market is going to break. Let's now read this market now. This is the last break of structure market gave us. After this last break of structure, market gave us change of character here. Change of character. We can see change of character, and all these places has already mitigated. You can see all this place has already been mitigated. This is the last break of structure market gave us. From here, this is the last break of structure market gave us. If you want to follow this trend, internal break of structure, and this is where we are turning in when this other block is. This is where the other block is, because that is where the last FEG market gave us. We are anticipating the sell from the other block. Let's now move to 15 minutes. Let's see what 15 minutes is doing. Let's see the space of 15 minutes. Let's see what's happening on 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes. This is the other block. You can see it's aligned with this. And let's just move to 15 minutes. Let's see our entry. This is our 15 minutes, our entry. This is what is happening on 15 minutes. This is our entry. On 15 minutes, that is our entry. You can see this is change of character. This break of structure, you can see this is break of structure also. This is break of structure. This is change of character. After the change of character, but let's use this as change of character. After this change of character, market did what? Market came back to this key level. But this is where we are. This is where we are. This is where we are buying. That is the other block, and this is our liquidity here. The reason why we are taking this is because of this liquidity. So that other block is valid, and you can see this is our break of structure. This is on 1 hour. You can see that's our break of structure, and and the low is here. Seriously, the stop loss is going to light. But let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see where we can take the stop loss. This 15-minute time frame, there's FEG here also. The market cannot come back to here. But we don't know. We cannot. we cannot control the market. You just react to the market. Yeah, I'm expecting the buy from here. The reason why I'm expecting the buy is because there is gap. There is gap over here. Which buyer need to fill before continuing the sell. So this way we are expecting the sell. So let's just our stop loss is the main thing like this. Let's put our stop loss here or our stop loss here. So that because of the FEG, so that we can stay away from the FEG box. Normal place to put the stop loss is here because this is the FEG, the last break of structural market give us. All these ones are liquidity set. This is the last break of structural market give us. If you want to read this set, but let's just say for safer purpose, let's say this is our break of structure because you can see this way the buyer enter and we can sell all these ones too as liquidity. But let's just wait. But we see, let's see, maybe this buyer is going, this other block is going to hold it, it's going to push the markets up. That's what we have on US 30 today. That's what we have on US 30. We are having buy from here, but our stop loss will be large. Let's know that our stop loss will be large. Seriously, let's put our stop loss here. Let's know that our stop loss will be large. Let's use Fibonacci retracement itself because I think market expected Fibonacci retracement on US 30. Sorry, this Fibonacci retracement from the higher high, from the lower high, you can see where the market is, and let's see from on 15 minutes. Let's see you can see this is the FEG. You can see this is the FEG. If market may respected this place, it's because of this 50. Yeah, it's because of this 50%. But this SVG is the one that give us the opportunity. Let's just see what the market has to do. Let's just see what the market is going to come down again. Seriously. Because if you use Fibonacci adjustment here, let's use this Fibonacci adjustment and market came back to this place 78.60% before continuing the uptrend. So I will drop a video on how to use Fibonacci assessment self. Seriously. And this is what I'm saying on Fibonacci assessment. So let's just wait. Let's see what is happening. This is what is happening. Market is in our resistance. Let's see, maybe this resistance is going to push it deep. If this resistance is going to push it deep, definitely it's coming to this FEG or 15-minute time frame. Definitely it's coming to this FEG on 15-minute time frame. Let's see 30 minutes. Maybe there is 30. It's not FEG at 30 minutes. Let's see if you have 5 minutes. You don't used to use 5 minutes, but let's just see maybe there is FEG here on 5 minutes. Let's just see what the market is going to do because these are our lower high, these are our higher low, and these are our higher high. You can see higher high, lower high, yes. So all this one will serve as liquidity, but let's see what the market is trying to do. But market is first expected this other block here because it too has liquidity. Serve as liquidity. Market is going to sell it. If market wants to respect this FEG over here, so let's move to GBPUSD, GU. You will see that this GU self, this is GU. This is the sell I'm expecting yesterday. So I did not enter because of the network. So it has it has gone. Let's see what is happening. You can see normally on daily time frame we are still in downtrend. And let's see your 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours time frame is giving us. This is 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. After liquidity swept on this 4 hours time frame, and you can see another liquidity swept again on this 4 hour time frame. But where we are buying is only just to know where we are buying. I think there's FEG here. There's FEG here, but let's move to 1 hour because we are expecting the market to break the structure. You can see market has not break structure. Market has not break the structure very well. Seriously, I cannot call this as valid break of structure because this first week did not show that. If this second week, if this we as week, we say it is fourth, it's valid break of structure. But let's move to 15 minutes. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. This is what we are having 1 hour time frame. This is what we are having on 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure, and this are other block here. I see this here. This is other block here. Let's say this other block here. This is where the seller turn into other block. It's not a FEG. Sorry, it's other block. I want to break this. Let's go to 1 hour again. Let's see what's this 1 hour. This was not as FEG. You understand? This is has break of structure, and these are and on 1 hour we are having break of structure because of this candle that's fully. But as for me, let's just see what is happening. This serve as a liquidity stretch for me. Let's see this other block. Let's be expecting this other block to push it down. Yes, this is where we are expecting the set to push it down again. So this is what we are having. We are having the set from here. This is what we are having on GU. Let's say EU. This EU. This one on EU. This is the time frame. You can see this is the swing gold, swing low, and the swing high. This is correctional movement. The market is respecting. Seriously, this is correctional movement. The market is respecting. Let's just move to what? Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. And on 4 hours time frame, we are having break of structure from here. We are having break of structure from here. After the break of structure, we are expecting the market to sell. But let's move to 1 hour. This is where the opportunity is. This is where the opportunity is. Let's now move to 1 hour. This 1 hour. This 1 hour. This change of character on 1 hour. This our liquidity trend. You can see, and this is the break of structure. And the sell I took yesterday. This I took the sell here, but market enter my what? Enter my stop loss. Enter stop trade and what? And that's what market clear all this liquidity because I did not see FEGO. That's why I did not take any. That is opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is where I'm seeing the opportunity because I'm seeing liquidity here. Let's move to 15 minutes. We see that, and that is where the liquidity. This is where I'm seeing the liquidity, and this is where I'm seeing the opportunity. Market just cleared me out and mitigated this place. Market mitigated this place before continuing the trend, and this place does not ask. It does not ask liquidity. It does not have FEG because all this week candle have closed the FEG. This is where you can see. But market took me out. But no problem. We still move again. That is the market. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's follow 4 hours. This way the market is on 4 hours. But this this thing is serve as liquidity for me. As for me, it serve as liquidity for me. All these trends it serve as liquidity for me. Sorry. As I'm saying, it serve as liquidity for me. But on 1 hour, this is where the other block. This is where the market is. You can see we have the of short yourself. Let's now move to 15 minutes. Let's see what 15 minutes is telling us. This is what 15 minutes is telling us. This is the last break of short on 15-minute time frame. And this is the change of character. Change of character. Break of structure. The why I'm still expecting the sell is because the market has not closed. You can see the market has also this is serve as liquidity for me because there's FEG here. So the market has not closed that place. So we are still in sell. Let's just be you can see this is our FEG. And this is what this is imbalance here. Market is going to sell this liquidity to come down. So that's why I'm still expecting for the sell. Let's just see where we can take the sell. This is the break of this is the change of character. This change of character. After this change of character, this another break of structure on 15-minute time frame. But all this space serve as liquidity because there is FEDA. I don't want to play with this market anyhow this morning. No be this it's not this morning except today. I don't want to play with market anyhow. So this is liquidity. You can see the liquidity. And on 1 hour, let's see. This is FEG on 1 hour. But as for me, the sell is not strong, seriously, because that FEG is too small. But let's just see what the market has doing. So you cannot say you cannot say that because of that thing is you can say this is liquidity. This is break of structure. Let's see if the market will expect this place. Let's see. And the sell. And the sell will be here. Our take up will be here. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Seriously. Let's see 15-minute time frame. You can see 15-minute time frame. This is the FEG, it's one FEG. Let's just see what the market is trying to do from here. So if the market because this is liquidity, let's see if the market is going up. continue downtrend. That is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing trend down sell on EU also. GU also we are seeing sell. This way we are expecting the sell. So let's just stay ahead. Let's see let's see UJ. This is what is happening on UJ now. You can see yesterday I said I'm not sure of this place that the market is coming. It's coming to respect this place because of the liquidity. Because I see all this place as liquidity on 1 hour sef you can see. I see all this place as liquidity. After market mitigated this place, give us the sell. After market swept this liquidity here. After market swept this liquidity here. Liquidity swept. After market swept this liquidity, market respected this other block. Other block. But this place serve as our what? As our as our other block. You already know on 4 hours. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours. And this is the other block. Market has you can see market has mitigated it. But what market is trying to give us, we don't know now. After market reaches on 1 hour time frame, market is giving us downtrend. It's giving us uptrend. But we don't know what this other block has not decided. Seriously. This other block has not decided. This is the first other block that's pushing the market up. And this is the second other block that's trying to push the market up. If we see break of structure, definitely the market is coming here. I'm expecting the market to come here. This face hours liquidity for me. I'm expecting the market to come here to feed the FEG finish. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Dave, I see 1 hour. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Our entry to see what is happening on 15-minute time frame. You can see this is what is happening on 15-minute time frame. This is the break of structure here. This is liquidity here. This is change of character here. So this is FEG here. I'm expecting the market to come here to give us the uptrend. This is change of character of that block. And this is last break of structure market gave us. Break of structure market gave us. And this is the other this is the what? This is the other block. If market did not expected this other block, definitely it will expect that change of character other block. Let's just see what the market is trying to do. Let's see if the market is expecting this place. So this is what we have on 15-minute time frame. We are still looking for uptrend. Let's see what the market. If market give us break of structure, if market give us break of structure, definitely we are expecting the buy. We are expecting the buy from here. Seriously, but that's what is happening. Let's see DJ. This is what is happening on DJ also. On daily time frame, you can see this is our swing low, and this is our swing, and this is our swing high. All these ones have as liquidity. This is when market mitigated. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours was. This is what 4 hours is telling us. After liquidity swept, market give us another break of structure. But this is the this is the other block I'm expecting the market. Let's see if we can see the set from here. Because on 4 hours, this is the last break of structure on 4 hours. You can see. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours. And this place serve as liquidity swept. You can see liquidity swept. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. As after the liquidity swept, market give a change of character, come back. This way we are expecting the sell. If you can see the sell from here, but on what? On 1 hour time frame. Let's use 1 hour time frame to judge this market. This is the last break of structure 1 hour gave us, and this is the change of character market gave us on 1 hour time frame. And this are okay. This serves our what? Our opportunity because this has already mitigated. Let's see this our other block now. Let's see if we can see the buy from here. The reason why is this liquidity market and FEG here, market is going to show this liquidity. Let's see if we can see the buy from here. This is what we are having on UJ also. Let's see BTC crypto. Let's see what is happening. What's happening on crypto? Can say they are giving us buy. They are giving us buy. Let's move to 4 hour daily time frame. We already know this what daily time. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. Is market is in between the swing high and the swing low. Let's move to the 4 hours time frame. This 4 hours time frame. This is what the market is giving us. This is where the market mitigated other block. This other block is on 1 hour mitigated. After market mitigated, this is the other block. This is the other block market give us. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's see. Let the structure very well on my 1 hour time frame. You can see after market mitigated this. After market mitigated this block of structure, this opportunity, this other block, what market gave us. This is the last break of structure. Market give a change of character, and this is the change of character other block here. Market swept this liquidity here. This is the change of this is where I'm saying we are buying, and you can see this is the way our since Monday I've been saying this way we are buying because that is where what other this is where 4 hours give us the opportunity. This is where I say we are buying, and after the last buying, let's just see what is happening on this trend on this market. This is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure. Let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see what 15 minutes is telling us. This is what 15 minutes is telling us. Market came back to this buy, continued the buy seriously. But where can we see the opportunity to buy again? Where can we see the opportunity to buy again? This is the last break of structure market gave us. I see this is the last break of structure. And where can we point the opportunity? Where can we plot the opportunity on 1 hour? Let's see what the 1 hour has not given this. But the opportunity is where There's all this one is as liquidity. All this one is as liquidity. All this one we serve as liquidity, internal trendline liquidity, and this we serve as opportunity because there's FEG over there. There's FEG there. You can see there's FEG there. All those ones we serve as liquidity. That is where we are buying. We are buying from here. Our stop loss will be here. And this our TP will be here. That's where we are buying. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what is happening on Ethereum. This is what is happening on Ethereum. You can see this is what is happening on Ethereum from daily time frame. These are swing high, this one are swing low. Market is in what is in between. Let's move to daily time frame. This daily time frame. This is where the market mitigated and continue to give us what uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour to read the structure of every on 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is what's happening on 1 hour. This is last break of structure. This is the change of character order block. After market came back to this change of character order block, this is what the market is trying to give us. Let's see. Let's just see what the market is trying to do now. This is what the market is going to give us 1 hour. But let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see. I'm not saying 15 minutes. This is what 15 minutes trying to us. This is break of structure here. After market give us change of character over here. Market came back to this place. Give us the sell, give us the buy. So what we are seeing now, we are seeing break of structure from here because all this place has already mitigated. So there is opportunity here. This is where the opportunity order block. All this one is serve as what? Liquidity. So guys, this is what let's see 1 hour. You see that there's FEG there. This is where we are going to buy. Seriously, this is where you are going to buy. Well, so our stop loss, we can get our stop loss to be here. So if markets want to do anyhow, seriously, because the market is going to give us a structure. So let's say we are buying from here before the market gives us a structure. Seriously, we are buying from there. So this as liquidity. This way we are buying farm. This is what I see in the market today. Kindly please watch the video to the end. This is what I was saying in the first place. So that's what I'm saying at last place. So thanks for the patience. Thank for the thank for the patience. I know you will see one or two things to learn from me from this video. I really appreciate. Peace and love. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and turn on the notification button. Thanks for the thanks. Have a peaceful day and have a successful profit ahead. Thanks.